Hey everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back on my channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my decluttering series. I'm going through hair care, body care, skincare products because my life has been so cluttered. Literally, all these things are taking so much space. I have 5 shelves full of them. What the heck? So we're going to go through them together and try to be somewhat reasonable. I don't have like a specific goal in mind, but I do hope to get rid of probably like a third of the products. I feel like that would be really nice to just finally get rid of the products that I've had for way too long. If you haven't seen it, I will be linking down below part 1 where I went through all my clothes and it was one hell of a ride. So first step is to put everything on the floor and just go through them by category. I went through skincare first, so I put all my cleansers together, all my makeup remover together, all my moisturizers together, etc, etc, and then try to be reasonable. Some of the products I don't mind having too many backups because too many cluttering in my life doesn't mean that I'm getting rid of everything. I'm not a minimalist. But I want to remove some products that I don't use or won't use them before like 3 years. It just doesn't make sense. But at the same time, I don't want to have to run out and buy something else in 3 weeks because again, my goal is decluttering, not to have to spend more money, basically. So I will keep an unreasonable amount of makeup remover or shower gel because I know I'm going to run out of those pretty quickly. Other products though, for example, moisturizers, I know that some of them I tried and I remember them breaking me out, but for some reason, they're still here. Why? So I think the only one I'm gonna remove from my collection is this one. This is the Bioderma. This is the 3-in-1 like milky one. I don't really like this one, so this one is gonna be removed from my collection. I think the one I'm gonna remove is this one. I might give it one more shot, but Let's go with moisturizers, which is probably the one that I have the most ridiculous amount. I've tried this one, I didn't love it. This is the one I'm using. This one is almost empty. I'm also using this one. I'm almost done with this one. I didn't love it. I'm gonna keep the ones that are light and I'm gonna get rid of the ones that are heavy or that I'm allergic to. So obviously I found more stuff because I forget. I'm gonna keep those too. I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's almost empty and it's pretty old. I feel like I'm gonna be the only person on the planet, but I didn't love the Josie Maran argan oil, so gone. I did like the fresh sea berry oil, but my face is really not dry anymore, so I don't know if it's worth it for me to keep it. I did like the pie one, but it's almost empty and it's starting to smell weird. So those are all the products I'm getting rid of. So this is going back on the shelves and this is going back in the bathroom. So as you can see, I did keep quite a bit of makeup remover and cleanser and everything, but at the same time, I do have the space so I can allow myself to keep too many. Plus, since I do a lot of makeup videos and everything, I remove makeup quite often, swatches on my arms all the time, so I go through them fairly quickly. If you want to know more about my favorite skincare products, I will link down below. I did do a full skincare routine and the products that I love, share with you my thoughts, so if you want more details, I will link that down below. Speaking of shower, I went through my body care products, so shower gel, moisturizers, and shaving gel, and I realized I don't use shaving gel, so why do I keep the ones that I have? Might as well gift them. Shower gel, I kept everything because, again, I know I will go through them like 1 or 2 every month, so why get rid of them? It's not like I have like 100, then it wouldn't make sense, but I do have enough space on my shelves that I can allow myself to keep an unreasonable amount, but at the same time, is it unreasonable if I'm gonna be going through them in the next year? Meh. Basically, I just won't need to spend the money on them for a while. So as you can see, again, a ridiculous amount of stuff that I have been accumulating for a long time. Some of the things are almost empty, some of the things I don't use anymore, and I just want to get through them. I didn't include things that are in my shower right now because they're in my shower right now and it's still wet, so this is still most of the things that I have. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm gonna start with body. Actually, I found a few more skincare and random stuff. I have like a perfume there. I'm gonna get rid of it. And I realized that there's more skincare. These ones I'm allergic to, so I'm not keeping them. There's the cleanser that I've used half of it, so I'm gonna put it back with the cleansers. And I have another moisturizer, but I have so many, I think I'm gonna pass this one. Okay, so now this is all body stuff. I don't reach for shaving gel. I just usually used shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, whatever. So I'm not gonna keep those. I love body scrubs, so I'm keeping, I only have 3. It's probably the one thing that I'm the most reasonable about. I do have one in my shower right now, but like, this is pretty reasonable. So I'm gonna keep them. So I'm gonna get rid of this one because I don't love the scent. And the other ones, I do like the scent, but I just really need to use them like ASAP. So if I don't use these like now, I'm gonna get rid of them. I really like the scent of the Frosted Cranberry moisturizer, but I don't like the shimmeriness. Like, I will reach for this like once a year, so it's not worth for me to keep it. Those are my favorite scent of the body butters. I'm keeping those. I've actually never even tried it. I feel like I could try one, but I'm gonna get rid of this because this is gross. The rest of the shower gels, like, realistically, do I need all of these? No, but why would I get rid of them if I'm gonna have to repurchase eventually? SPF. I'm gonna keep the SPF, not gonna keep the After Sun because I never use After Sun. Body lotion, it doesn't look like it, but I made so much progress. I feel like 3 years ago, I had like 40 million body lotion because I kept buying more because I have dry skin. But then I wouldn't use it and be confused why my skin was still dry. So buy more and do the same thing. And it just made absolutely no sense, which at least I broke that habit, and I've been going through all the products before they expire because it is time. There is one product that I did remove because I didn't like the scent of it anymore, but the rest I am currently trying to just reduce the overall amount. But now hair care, which is probably going to be hell. Then I went through all my hair products, which I realized that I had too many, plus my hair went through a big change lately and it went from being really dry to being really oily, so all the products that were really moisturizing I did not need anymore. So again, I categorized everything, the shampoo, conditioner, treatments and everything, and then got rid of half of each-ish. Some categories I didn't need to get rid of a lot because, for example, hairspray, I go through them, they don't really expire, I don't have an issue with them, I don't have like 20, so it still makes sense to keep them. I will be doing a hair care routine because a lot of my favorite products were currently in my shower, and since they were wet, it just didn't make sense for me to put them on my rug, but there are a few other products in my shower. Just realized I had some more skincare, which... So, this is shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo. I need to get rid of some because it's a bit ridiculous. I don't like this. Well, that's what I call the copy version of the macadamia oil, like, brand. And I don't like it, so no. My hair has been really oily, so I don't need super moisturizing products. It's just not necessary for me, so I might as well pass them. Same with these. I really like the Tresemme Platinum Strength Mask, but these will take me forever to use, so no. I'm gonna keep these 3 shampoos. Now conditioner, I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Anything that is like super moisturizing, I'm gonna pass. So I'm gonna keep these ones. Dry shampoo, I love Batiste. Actually, this one is not super full. I haven't tried the Herbal Essence ones, so I'm gonna keep them and try them, and I'll decide whatever I want to do with these. Hairspray, I don't need all of these, I guess, but at the same time, do they ever go bad? Actually, this one is empty, so... Actually, I really don't like the scent of the L'Oreal, and this one is the unfragrance one, but it still smells like so strong with alcohol, so no. To be honest, I don't mind to keep too many because I just avoid repurchasing any, and I'm not planning on buying any, so it's not that much of a problem. It's more the rest of the things that I need to remove. Some stuff. There's the L'Oreal Boost It. I kind of have love-hate relationship with this. It kind of works, but it smells so strong that I can't deal with it, so. So as you can see in the beginning, it was super cluttered. I had like 5 shelves being completely full, and then you can see the after, which is a lot more organized, and everything fits in 3 shelves, which is such an improvement. And you can see the amount of products that I got rid of, and I'm going to be letting friends and family go through them, and afterwards whatever is unused I will be gifting them to Women's Shelter. But I'm really proud of myself. I feel like there's a weight lifted off my shoulder. I know some people will look at the amount of products I have and be like, you could have got rid of more things. So to me, the amount of products that I'm keeping is reasonable. I have the space for it. If I didn't have the space, I wouldn't be keeping everything, but everything makes sense, so we're good. I hope this video inspired you to go through your products and realize, you know what, I've had this shower gel for 5 years. Maybe it's time for me to just get rid of it, you know? So this was part 2. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to not miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.